Welcome to Sriman IT. This is Ramachandra. I'm having 10 plus years experience as a developer, as a Java developer, as well as Java trainer. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the topics are you going to cover in our advanced Java sessions. Okay. So what are the topics are you going to cover in our advanced Java sessions? First, I'm going to talk about basics of core Java. Talking about basics of core Java. Basics of core Java means inheritance, okay, polymorphism, especially under the polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, and loosely coupling. Basic idea on how to handle exceptions, basic idea on multi-threading, just a basic idea, introduction, multi-threading, okay. Some basic points I'm going to cover from core Java first of all. To understand the advanced Java concepts, we required core Java knowledge. So what are the topics mainly required? Inheritance, polymorphism, how to handle exceptions, multi-threading, as well as collection framework. So here I'm going to give you only few information daily. On top of the inheritance, I'm going to spend only 1 hour. Like that, small introduction I'm going to provide on top of the basics of core Java. After completion of basics of core Java, I'm going to discuss about one of the very important topic to understand advanced Java, that is reflection API. And these are the very important topic. Polymorphism is very important topic, as well as reflection API is also very important topic. After understand the reflection API concept, I'm going to introduce concept like JDBC technology. Under the JDBC technology, here only I'm going to cover 48 subtopics. Let us see what are those subtopics. See, initially, instance, types of Java applications, what is jar, what is technology, and how many types of archive files do we have, and how to use the path and the class path. Okay, different types of logics. What type of architecture are you going to learn in advanced Java, and a reflection API concept. After that, some basic concepts are there. After that, actual JDBC concept I'm going to introduce. The actual JDBC concept starts from here, from 14th concept onwards. Introduction to persistent stores. What is the use of the persistent store? If there is no persistence, what is the problem with our applications? Is Java really store our data permanently or not? Or otherwise, are you taking the support of any other softwares or not? Those are the points we discuss under this concept. See, like this, we are going to talk about aroundly, see, how many topics here we have? 48 topics. Aroundly 47 topics I'm going to discuss. Okay, so here the main intention of the JDBC is, whenever our application is going to executing. The meanwhile of execution process of Java application, whatever the data we are getting from the Java application, everything is available in the primary memory. Nothing but in the JVM level memories, everything is available. But once application closed or execution process completed, then automatically all the content of all the output or all the response of the Java application will be smashed out, nothing but destroyed. We want to save permanently, we want to store permanently, we want to persist permanently, then we can go for persistent stores. So if you go for the persistent stores at the core Java level, we have a concept like IO streams. But these IO streams is purely working with the files. This IO streams is purely working with the files. Okay. So files are having some limitations, security issues, limited data, no mergings, and doesn't have any duplicate. It will not supporting any query language. So like this, a lot of problems, a lot of limitations are there with the files. That's why we are always interacting with the database. We are always interacting with the databases. Then here we are going to talk about how to interacting with the database. How to interacting with the database. So if you want to interacting with the database in advanced Java level, we have a technology like JDBC. With the help of the JDBC, we can able to persist our data permanently. For example, I purchased one product from the Amazon.in. Okay, how Amazon.in display all the information. For example, I'm searching about one mobile. How Amazon.in will display all the information about that mobile. So Amazon in the background is maintaining the database. For example, if I'm typing like mobile here, so it display all this information. All this information is available in our machine? No. It's stored somewhere else. What is that somewhere else? That is nothing but persistent store. After booking the product, our customer details, contact number, contact number, customer name, address, everything is available in the way. Those are also maintaining in the background of Amazon application in the form of tabular format. So the tabular format is nothing but your database. So how to work with the database? That is the point we are going to discuss under the JDBC concept. So after that, we have some different technologies like a servlet, how to develop a business to business application, how to develop a customer to business applications. What is business application? What is customer to business application? What is business to business application? How can we develop a web application, distributed application? All these stuff we are going to learn under the concept like a servlets. How to develop web application, how to develop IRCTs, how to develop Gmail, how to develop Facebook, how to develop Zomato, how to develop this type of internet support applications. For that purpose, we have two technologies in advanced Java. One is servlets, and the other one is JSP. Servlet is the best for business, and JSP is the best for presentation logics. JSP is also used for business, but it is the best for presentation. Most of the people thinks like JSP is the super technology for servlet. That is wrong. That is the alternative way of technology for servlet. JSP is the alternate technology for servlets. Under the JSP, we are going to learn different types of tags, and there is one more separate tag like JSTL. JSTL concept we are going to learn. Under the advanced Java, I'm going to explain about the expression language. So these are the two we are applicable on top of the JSP related technologies only. After that, we are going to talk about server architecture, server internal architectures, and also we are going to learn about IDEs, how to work with the IDEs, what are the shortcuts of IDEs, how to create the project in the IDEs, and also we are going to work with the tools, Maven, logging, okay, SVN, GitHub. These type of tools also I'm going to explaining under the advanced Java course content, and also MVC architectures, and also I'm going to explain MVC architectures, how the real world project will be, So based on all this, by using all these concepts, we are going to develop one mini project also. See, learning advanced Java totally different from learning core Java. In the core Java, what we are learning syntaxes, basic syntaxes and concepts. But actually, advanced Java will give us how to develop a project in the real world. It will give full-fledged idea on real world projects. So here, the main important topics and the main important technologies in advanced Java, that is JDBC technology, another one is servlets and JSP technologies. Along with these, we are going to learn JSTL and expression language as well as what MVC architecture. This is the course related to advanced Java. Along with all these things, I'm going to cover some of the major important topics of core Java with basic knowledge. And also, and also, we are going to work on IDs and we are going to work with the tools. And also, I'm going to provide one mini project. So learning advanced Java and with real-time scenarios is very important. Already I told you, core Java is only gives how to understand the syntaxes and concept level understanding. But way to use, how to use, what are the architectures we have, what are the logics we have, how many types of projects do we have in the projects, how to develop our own projects, how to launch project into the server. These are the things we can able to understand under the advanced Java. Understand? Thank you guys.